start by putting all my vegetables and shrimp and oil and seasoning in a mixing bowl and mixing everything up. I will have all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. All I do is put everything in a bowl, mix it up, and distribute it evenly on a sheet pan. And then I let the fajitas bake at 400 degrees for 8 minutes. And then I broil them for 2 minutes so they can kind of get that shrimp fajita sear look and taste to it. And that's it. This is a perfect recipe for when you don't feel like cooking or you don't want to wash a whole bunch of dishes. You can eat this if you meal prep and put it in a container with some rice. You can eat it with tortillas. Tortilla chips is versatile and most importantly delicious. You will not be disappointed, I promise.